Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Thousand Island dressing at home. It's surprisingly easy and tastes so much better than store-bought. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Also, have a small amount of finely minced onion, a dash of Worcestershire sauce, and a pinch of salt and pepper ready. Now, let's get mixing. Take a medium-sized bowl and add your 1 cup of mayonnaise. Next, pour in the 1/4 cup of ketchup. Using a whisk or a spoon, gently combine these two main ingredients. Stir them together until the mixture is completely smooth and has a consistent pink color. This forms the creamy base for your dressing. With your base ready, it's time to add those signature Thousand Island flavors. Carefully fold in the 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. Then, add your finely minced onion. This provides a lovely, subtle crunch. Stir in a dash of Worcestershire sauce to give it a nice depth of flavor. Finally, season with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Mix everything thoroughly. Your homemade Thousand Island dressing is almost ready. Transfer it into an airtight container. For the best flavor, refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. It will stay fresh in your refrigerator for up to 1 week. Enjoy this versatile dressing on your favorite salads, as a spread for sandwiches, or even as a delicious dip for vegetables. It's truly a homemade delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.